you're well. Today's going to be about clipper maintenance, removing the blades, getting right in there, a bit of an in-depth, deep clean. So what you'll need is a brush, one of these little finer brushes that you do get with your clippers straight out of the box, so it's always handy to keep hold of these. Then just a screwdriver. And what I'm going to do today as well is I'm going to change the original standard blade to a ceramic crunch blade. We find these are a lot better, so I'm going to be replacing that, and I'll show you how. It's dead easy. Obviously you'll need your clipper side. I use a little bit of warm water and your barber side in there, not much. I'd probably say a capful. Like I say, I use this just so I can take it all apart, throw it straight in the water while I'm cleaning inside, and then I'll dry it off and disinfect it all, oil it all up and put it back together. So it's just an extra little thing that I go through just to make sure the clippers are as clean as they can be, as brand new as what they are when they come out of the box. Okay, so let's get started. What you want to do is extend the clipper arm all the way open. I'll tell you why in a minute. Take your 2 screws off the back. 1, 2, set them aside. Take the top off and the blade off. Okay, so these can go straight into the warm water that I have, also with the barber side in. So why I've going to open is because you've got like a little ledge. So just by taking these little steps before, you're just going to help prevent that, like I say, this pinging out, and you know, you could lose it or anything there. So then finger on, just underneath, just gently prise it out, and there we go. Okay, so like I say, this is going to be a deep clean today. So then you take your sides off, your clipper arm. Okay, so that can go over there, and then this can slide out now. So then that can go straight in, and you've got your spring. There we go. So what you'll need to be careful, this little bolt here, don't be obviously, just make aware that it's there, and it will come out. So if you lose that, obviously you can't put your adjuster arm back in, and everything, you know, it won't run smoothly. So now what you need to do is just go through. Perfect. So that's nice and clean. One little quick one just for good luck. Okay, so now we can start building back. So I'll get a fresh piece, and this is just for everything that you've had in your barber side. Okay, so what you want to do now is you just go back in reverse everything that you took off. So it'll be the pin first. So as you can see on the pin, yeah, it almost is bent over like teeth coming down. That wants to be going into facing into the clipper, and it'll sit itself just here. You'll see where it needs to come off, where it came off, sorry, where it's got to go back on. Just double check it. Don't be pushing in too hardly with it, be quite gentle. You don't want to bend it, take it out of shape. Okay, so next one, this slides in on one side and then the other. So now you just need your clipper arm. So you'll see on the clipper arm, there's like a little notch and then a little notch taken out of this. That's where it sits in there, and then tie them back up. Perfect. Okay, so all the way up, close, then you can get this in. So with this now, if you grab your oil, so this is just a wahl clipper oil. Again, we did have a big bottle of clipper oil, but for some reason it's gone missing since lockdown. So this is the exact same stuff. As you get this in your box. Let's get a little bit on there. I just like to put a little bit in there. Make sure it's sitting right. So if you look on both sides, you'll have a little ledge there and a little ledge there. This is where it sits on. So get it lined up and straight on to hold, and then go all the way open with the clipper arm. Now you can let go, okay? So this is why I always keep it open when I open the, when I first disassemble it all. Just gives me control there, it's not going to fire out the way. Again, I'll have to disinfect and start all over again. Okay, so once you've done this, like I say, we're going to put this ceramic blade on. And then it seats itself right in the middle there, where the groove's been cut out to the shape. Okay, quick bit of clipper side just for good luck. Okay, and the same on this. So you'll see the blade will sit here and just where the teeth are. So just a little bit there. Nothing crazy, not too much. And then hold, screws back in. Alright, so don't over tighten these. I say just get them slightly seated, because you're going to need to adjust. What you want to check for here is the shape of this outer blade. It starts to bend in and then it'll straighten off here. Now where it's rounded off and it finishes, you want that to line up with this metal adjuster underneath. Okay, same on that side. That's why you know it's central. Okay, another way to check as well, this STD is to be in the gap and in the center of the clipper. Okay, once you've got that, you then can turn around and close the blade. Okay, from this position here, this is why you don't want to over tighten it, so then you can adjust. So what I'm checking for here, I'm looking right down the edge to make sure the balance is correct through both sides, and also wiggle the moving blade closer to the end. Once I'm happy, I can then tighten it up. That looks perfect to me. Yep, so once I'm happy, I can tighten it up. So don't over tighten one side different to the other. So I work from one side to the other, little bits at a time. Perfect. Perfect, all done. Okay, so little tip with ceramic blades, okay, once you put them on for the first time, let them run. Don't fly straight in and start cutting someone's hair, okay. You want the ceramic blade just to seat on the non-moving blade underneath. Okay, so just turn, like I say, just turn it on and let it run for a couple of minutes. The guidance I got, or advice I got given, and if you think about it, it's just to help seat and bed in with the blade underneath. So once you've done that, that's been running for a couple of minutes, you're all good. That's it, you just clean up and you're good to go. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this has helped anyone out how to maintain your clippers and change your blade if you do wish so. Okay, thank you very much guys. Have a great day.